Hello, what's up all? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, it's an interesting video. It has some various activities in it, so make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video, and don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload videos like this and more. So as you can see on the screen, I'm starting with this Decor mirror. So let's start the video. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So if this is your first time clicking on our videos, in this channel we do DIY videos, transformation videos. We also do home decors and some more transformation videos on houses, also on beds and some furnitures. So that is basically what we do in this channel. That is if you're new. So if that is the kind of content that you like or you find interesting, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell below. Watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps and processes that I took while making these items in these videos. And then for this video, I have a different kind of clips that I've inserted in this video. So if you want to watch full videos of the items that I'm going to be including in this video, visit our channel. Those videos are there in full and everything explained there and how I did DIY them. So make sure to watch them. Don't forget to like it, show some love by sharing, commenting on it, and yeah, I will really do appreciate that. So as you can see on the screen, I'm just cutting a round board here, and I'm using this router machine to cut it. And if you don't have this machine, I think you can visit a carpenter around your area to cut this circle, because it cuts out perfect circles. So if you want something like this, you can just visit a carpenter around you to make this one for you. So for me, because I have the machine, I'm just going to be cutting for myself and start making the frame for the mirror that I'm going to be making. The mirror was 80 centimeters in diameter. That is, if you want to know the measurements. I usually make two types of diameters, that is 80 centimeters and the smaller one with 50 centimeters. That is, if you want to know all the measurements of the mirrors, circle mirrors that I use. Not unless a client wants a specific measurements, that is when I usually make a different diameter for these ones. And then for the back of this mirror, I'm using these pieces of wood that I had, and then after that I'm going to be using the same machine to cut the excess out, but you will see in the video. And then I'm going to be priming the frame, that is using the water-based color, which is white, then going back to paint it black because my client wanted it in black color. So in short, all that being said, I'm going to be transforming my client home, rather updating it or refreshing it with some items, these items that I'm going to be showing you, that I'm going to be making also for her. And then I'm going to be doing delivery, and then you will see me later on doing the setups, installing some items later in the video. So still urging you to stay tuned to the video. Don't forward, just keep watching and enjoy the video. Was another day when I did the delivery, and this is the house of my client that I'm going to be installing the mirror. And as you can see, I'm just drilling the wall so that I can use a wall plug and a screw that to hang the mirror. And then after that, I'm going to be installing other items for her. So just keep watching, and if you have watched this video till this far and you haven't liked it, kindly do so, and that will really boost our channel. Yeah, just hit the like button and don't forget to comment on it. And then after that, after installing the screw, I'm going to be hanging the mirror. And then before showing you the rest of the things that I was doing, I thought of showing you a quick before on how the bedroom looked like. This is the console that I did make her. If you want to watch the video that I did make that console, you can visit our channel. The video is there. So this is how the bedroom looked like, as you can see on the screen. So after that, I'm going to be starting installing different types of items in it, and then I hope you will tell me in the comment section what you will think. So the first thing in the bedroom, I was changing this lighting fixture, and I'm going to be installing a small chandelier for her. And then after that, I did deliver some items, and I'm going to be showing you in a minute. And that is how it turned out. This was really beautiful light fixture, just small, simple, but very beautiful. Just tell me in the comment section what you think about this one. And then another item that I did deliver for her that I did make in my shop was this dresser console table. You can see it was a white and gold. That was the theme she wanted, and I did a little setup there. And also, if you want to see how I made this dresser, you can just visit our channel, All Things With Us, and watch the full video about this dresser. And then another item that I did deliver was these two side tables that you see on the sides, and it was made from MDF and a metal, and also some gold paint, because also the theme was white and gold, as you can see. And for this one, if you want to know how I did make this one, you can just comment down below, tell me to make a video on how to make those side tables. So now here I was back at the entryway. Now I'm just doing the setup for the entryway, and then after that I'm going to be showing you the final reveal on how the entryway turned out. Make sure to tell me in the comment section what you think about this video today and the different clips that I've shared with you. And more videos are coming about some house transformation / updates, home hub updates. There are some other projects that I'm working on. They are currently undergoing. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload videos like this and more.